and we can stick it out until the end. Now that it's raining more, told you we'll still have each other, and you can stand under my umbrella. London, you can stand under my umbrella. I like this song. I like this song. Rihanna's my girl. London, can we sing this one together? Come on. Because when the sunshine was shining together, told you I'd be here forever. Said I'd always be your friend. Now that it's raining for December, you can run into my arms. It's the place of the unlocked. Come into me. Come into me. Now that let the rain fall, I'll be lying when the sunshine was shining.
Wanna let the rain pour? I'll be all you need and more. Because when the sunshine we shine together, told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Don't know if I'm stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. Under my umbrella.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a musical debate that has been stirring up a storm, Fantasia versus Rihanna. Who sang Umbrella better? So,